Welcome to Digicut Studio. Here you'll find assembly tutorials for your Digicut Studio templates, as well as inspiration for your next craft project. Today's project is a classic layered bow. This versatile bow is a great beginner's project. The SVG file is pre-sized in 3 sizes, 6-inch, 4-inch, and 3-inch. Cut your faux leather with your Cricut machine or preferred cutting machine. Take the 2 bow pieces, place underside up. Take the corner tabs and fold them inward so that they meet at the center. They do not overlap. Glue in place. Make sure all pieces are facing correct side up. Place the tail piece on the bottom, followed by the large bow piece, then the small bow piece. You can add a little glue to each layer to hold together or wrap cotton thread around the pieces and tie together. Add the bow middle strip to the center. Wrap the bow middle around the bow pieces and overlap at the back of the bow and glue in place. Attach your hardware if making into a hair bow. Trim the bow middle strip if needed. Your bow is ready to wear. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.